Over the past few days, I've talked with public health experts and business leaders and local elected officials all across the state. Overwhelmingly, the response I heard is that we need an all-hands-on-deck approach to stop the spread of COVID-19 in Wisconsin. In fact, business leaders have suggested that it's imperative to slow this growth of the disease and that the state cease all non-essential businesses statewide. And folks, all hands on deck means you too. I know this has been difficult and it's disrupted the lives of people across our state, but here is the bottom line. Folks need to start taking this seriously. So today I'm asking for your help. Very simple. We have been working hard to ensure that the health and safety of the people of our state as we have responded to the COVID-19 in Wisconsin. We've taken some important steps, but folks, this is important. Time is of the essence. So today I'm announcing we'll be issuing a safer at home order tomorrow.